Welcome back, guys, to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do something like this, like how to make the button get bigger as you click on it on Scratch. So let's get started. So we're going to leave this site and we're going to go and create a new project. You have to make a Scratch account. I have made a video on how to do that before. Delete the Scratch Cat sprite, go over here, choose a sprite, and hit Paint. Then we're going to create a button. So, like, take a circle and, like, if you hold down shift, you can make a perfect circle, so we're going to do that, and then we'll drag that in the center. Next, you want to go over to these, like, the X and Y coordinates and type 0, and then hit the tab button, 0, and then the enter button. That way the button will be basically in the middle of the screen so we can easily do it. I would label this button. That's what I'm going to label it. You guys can label whatever you want. Then go to the code area and pull out the when green flag clicked. Then bring out the forever loop. Then we're going to go down to sensing and it should say touching mouse pointer. We're going to grab that and then we're going to go to control and then the if something happens then block and we're going to put this one into there. If I'm going a bit fast, just pause the video and then come back and you'll be able to, if you just pause the video, you can figure out how to do that. But we're not going to put that in there just yet. Then we need to go to size, or to the looks, and it says set size to. We're gonna bring that out. Then we're gonna bring out two different operators. We're gonna bring out the plus. We're gonna bring out the dividing one, and we're gonna bring out the minus one. Then we're gonna go back to looks. Scroll down till you see this one that says size, and you're gonna put the word size into here. Hope everyone is good with that. Got that? Okay. Then the minus one, we're gonna put the numbers 125 in it. So put 125 and then take the size thing and put it back in there. Then this is where it gets a little bit complicated. We're gonna put this division thing into the plus. Like that. And then we're gonna put this into here. So this is where it gets complicated, as I said. We're going to put the division thing into here, and then this has to go into there. So it looks something like this. This looks like a giant mess, but trust me, it's not. In this division thing, we hit the 3, we type 3 in that box, and then we take all of this and drag it into the set size too. And then drag that into there. Next, go up to where it says set color effect and drag that in. And switch the color to ghost and make sure that is at 0. Then I forgot to mention you need this block. I'm sorry, guys. So drag all this stuff into this box instead. I'm very sorry, guys. I meant the if, then, or else block. That's what I meant to do. Then we're going to hit this and hit duplicate. I'm going to put this over here. Set the size. It's going to be 99. And then we're going to set this to divide by 2. And then we will set this there. Then you can have it ask something like ask what is your name or something like that. So basically we're gonna give this a try. So we're gonna set this to 0 0. And then we need to add this into the forever loop. We're gonna remove the question for now. So if I hover over it, you guys can see that it is like it gets bigger and smaller, and you can also add some other code like when green flag clicked. Forever, grab some like forever loops, and then you grab if, and then grab here, you can pause from the video, slow it down. We'll take this, and if it's not touching mouse pointer, or if it's touching mouse pointer, we can make another costume, so duplicate this and add like an outline to it, like a, set this like a pretty large outline, like that. Then forever if it's not touching. Then switch costume to costume 1. And if it is touching, you want it to switch to costume 2. So this will add a nice little effect. So as you can see, it's kind of like a little effect. So that's a really cool feature. And then you can add like when the swipe clicked, you can add that to the button. If you want to find this project, the link to this project will be in the description. We'll name it Walking Button without my messing up typing. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys back in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace.
I'm so sick of love songs. She gon' ask me what song. She wanna pull up and give me some. I don't want her to give me none.